Welcome. If you're looking to update your phone number on your Facebook page using your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to change your phone number on your Facebook page, following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your Facebook page. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, navigate to the page you want to update. Click on the page name to enter your page's main dashboard. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side and select the About section. This section contains all your page's essential details, including your contact information. Scroll down until you find the phone number listed on your page. Next to your phone number, you'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 dots, often called the More icon. Click on this icon for more options. From the menu that appears, choose Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your phone number. Now, simply delete the old number and type in your new phone number. Double-check to make sure it's correct. Accuracy is key. Once you're happy with your changes, look for the Save button and click it to update your information. That's it. Your Facebook page's phone number is now up to date. Keeping your contact information current helps your audience reach you easily and ensures you never miss an important message. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.